Hello, my name is Philip and I come from the Institute Today is a New Day, and I'll be talking about Consul to you today. Now, okay, let's do this again. Hello, my name is Philip. I come from the institute called Danes or Today is a New Day in English, and I'm here to talk to you about Consul. Now, before I begin, I want to first deal with this idea that young people are apolitical, which is something that we hear often, but we also don't really reflect on this. And the first question we should ask ourselves is, are they really that apolitical? Because political apathy or apathy of any kind can be a reasonable response to the circumstances. And we feel, at least, and we feel that the evidence shows that young people, when they are apolitical, they have good reasons to be. Secondly, we should ask, what do these people lack? And we believe that young people lack actual tools and mechanisms that allow them to participate meaningfully and fully, right? And young people know exactly what they want. They have an intimate and intuitive understanding of politics. They went to school and they went to high school. If there's anything they learned how politics works. But also, they are not impressed by voting every 4 years. Because when you think about it, 4 years is the amount of high school people go to. And for a lot of them, it's a very big chunk of their lives. And of course, they understand that going to vote every 4 years isn't going to allow them to participate fully or meaningfully in society. So what do we propose as a solution, or what do we use as part of the solution? We propose participatory budgeting with Consul. Consul is a piece of open source software that was designed in Madrid and is currently used all over the world. That means 35 countries, 135 institutions, or even more. Over 90 million citizens are using it, and it also received the United Nations Public Service Award. Now, Consul is an open source software backed by real irrevocable promises supported by municipal state bureaucracies. What do we mean by that? What we want to explain here is that it isn't just enough for you to have a piece of software like Consul is, and it isn't enough for you to just install it. If we want to engage young people, we need to be able to introduce processes into local or even state bureaucracies that will allow these people to actually participate. Because aside from installing Consul, there are several things that the municipality needs to do. It needs to inform people, it needs to motivate them to participate, it needs to facilitate their participation. It needs to actually make promises that are then written down in the minutes of their sessions. They need to take a vote in order for those promises to become irrevocable. And all of this together, we feel forms a very good example, a very good practice that a lot of the countries could benefit from. Now, there are various different ways in which young people can be made to participate through actual tools that help them to do that. We feel Consul and participatory budgeting is one example of that, but of course, there are many more. Thank you.